Hey guys, welcome in this second tutorial. So now in this second tutorial of this playlist, we're going to discuss on how we can start with this create React app boilerplate. So basically, it is very hard to set up all the, webpack, Babel, all the things into your, single project always. Like it's very complicated. So if you don't want to if you don't want to face these complexity, you just can use the create react app package, which is basically provide you all the complexity, all the required dependency in your single project. Okay, so what you need to do only, let I just firstly show you. This is, you can see the create react app package. 97,000 approx person are using this package, right? Okay, so let me just you can see here in this screen, this is the uh, the browser screen of that create react app package. Okay, so let me just start it. Just go to the terminal and you can see I'm here on my W shop dashboard. I'm going to create new folder, which is, you can say, YouTube, and inside in this I don't have anything, you can see here, and I'm going to in this folder YouTube. Yeah, ls, nothing else. Okay, so now I'm going to use create react app. If you are new to you are new you are you if you're new and you're using this first time, just use this command, create react app. Sorry, yep, npm install globally create react app. Okay, so then this command will be like will work like this will install create react app package into your system globally, right? G stand for globally. So now I already have this create react app package. So I'm not going to create just a project. So just use create react app, and the package name like a new proj. Sorry, this will be like, this will not accept this, I think. Yeah, because I need to put the small character only. You can see a name can no longer contain capital letter. Okay, so new proj, this is my project name, will be will create in this YouTube. Yeah, you can see this new project has been created, and some of the file are still, yeah, adding in this. This will take the couple of time only. You can skip this part of the video. Our 3% battery only. I have to take this on charge. Just give me a moment. still is downloading, right? Okay. Yeah. So now you can see like we have done the step. I'm going to import this file. Now I'm going to explain you like this, node model folder, which basically contain all the third parties, all the required dependencies in your project. This basically includes some of the file like index.html, all the the you know just to show the you can see like I can explain you better like this. Hmm. So you have the div, right, which is basically wrapping the component, the React component is used for all. And now the next thing we have src. We have so many files in this. You can see the app.js file, which is basically a container. Sorry, not a container, not a content. It's basically a component, right? So you have the component in this, and this package.json file, which is basically directly interacting with the npm, which is basically helps to install all the required dependency from the npm, right? So now I'm going to run my project. Npm start. When you will run this command npm start, this is basically going to this package.json file, and this start script will be run, and this start will be run. Yes, you can see here start script, react script start will be run. Yes, why? And then you will see this type of interface. This just loading. I'll see you uh, all the things here like this dot packet. This is app.js file. We'll see this is just starting the development server. So first time when you will running your project, this will take some of the couple of time only. Yeah, you can see here this is the boilerplate screen on the browser, right? So when you will change anything in your code, so this screen will be automatically reload, right? When you save this code, like you can see the here we have the edit part, right? When you will write my name like Piyush Bajpayee and will save this file, then this file, this automatically reloading. This page is already automatically loading on the browser, right? Like neo sigma classes, and we'll save this page is automatically reloading, right? So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and in the next video we'll discuss next topic. Thank you so much guys.